Tell us more about the rest of this week, because today, grayer than it was yesterday, but actually really nice outside.
Yeah, and it's only getting better from here.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the summer-like weather, our nights are longer, our mornings are going to be a little bit colder, but we still have some of that afternoon heat. Hear me out. I think our afternoons wind up quite warm, especially as we get into the weekend, but getting there is going to be awesome. That's why I came back to work. I said, you know what? I'm ready to go back as long as we can talk about awesome things. I learned from the best. That's what Tom does. Increasing sunshine the next few days. We're warmer by the weekend. And are we talking the return of summer-like heat? Yeah, I think so. Because when it comes to our average high temperatures, the warmest of the summer winds up being about 87. That's your average over the past 30 years. 82 and 84, that's very summer-like. That's very July-like. So the weekend looks summer-like to me, especially with that kind of sunshine. Here's that graphic. Remember earlier I said I put a front on a graphic and it's not here. There it is. There's the front. It's moving through. And what winds up happening for us is we get that cloud cover we saw today, a couple of stray showers now moving into western Montana. But for us, it really doesn't bring us much. I still decided to say, you know what? It's not going to be bad. But by tomorrow night, we get another little short wave of energy moving through. It's a little wave of energy that slides through the region, and that wave of energy brings us the chance of a couple of kind of scattered showers down to the south in the Palouse, and over in parts of North Idaho, we might see a couple of raindrops here in Spokane, but as that moves out, the door opens, and we just wind up kind of warmer and sunnier over the, I would say, weekend. That takes us into the weekend. Weekend's looking pretty nice. Early next week, we'll get a couple of cloud covers. I forgot how to talk over the weekend. We'll get a few more clouds moving through along a disturbance sliding into the region. That kind of really winds up about it. The heat though, the heat is on. Long range forecast models say, buckle up, next week we're heading back to the warm side of things. And for us, the warm side of things is likely back in the 80s. We're gonna get a taste of it this weekend, but even as we cool down kind of the middle of next week, I think the following weekend also winds up very warm and very sunny. So we are not done with this summer-like heat just yet.